Hi, good morning. This is your chef Prakash. Hope you all doing good. Today I am going to explain about how to make the Christmas cookies. Now I am going to tell the ingredients for the cookies. Butter 225 gram, sugar 1 cup, vanilla essence 1.5 teaspoon, egg 1 number, flour 3 cup, baking powder 3 by 4 cup and salt 3 by 4 cup. This is the ingredients which we are going to use for the Christmas cookies. This one you have to make it dough. First you take a mixing bowl, put the butter, mix it well. After that add the sugar and make it fluffy. After that you have to add the egg and vanilla essence together. Mix it well. After that finally you can add the flour, baking powder and salt. Make it dough and please cover that one with the cling film and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours or 3 hours. After that remove it from the refrigerator. Make it sheet, nice sheet. After that you can use your star cutters or flowers. What cutter do you like to make? Make it in the cutter and arrange in the one tray and bake it in the temperature of 165-degree temperature for 20 minutes. This is the temperature of baking the cookies. I will give the recipe in the description box. Kindly check and try to make it and tell me your valuable comments. If you have any doubts also, please mention in the description box. I am ready to answer for your question as soon as possible. This one I post only for the Christmas. Everyone willing to make this one, so please try this one and tell me your comments. Thank you.